Tired of the back and forth of scheduling meetings? With Calendly can streamline your booking process and save valuable time. This powerful tool lets you effortlessly set up appointments that works for anyone involved. Say goodbye to scheduling chaos and hello to productivity. Let's dive in and unlock the magic of Calendly. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Calendly.com. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Calendly.com, and this is the platform, or this is the homepage as you can see. So Calendly is an online scheduling tool that makes booking meetings easy and efficient. It allows users to set their availability and share links for others or to choose convenient times. With automated reminders and calendar integrations, it streamlines the scheduling process. Say goodbye to email back and forth and hello to hassle-free planning. So let's get started. The first step that you have to do is just come back to the top and you have just to select here sign up with Google or sign up with Microsoft, or you can just here choose the option of sign up free with email. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one. You have just to add your email address and then you get started and you create an account. But let's know firstly what is the price or what is the plans of this platform. Let's just click on over the pricing and you'll find other page, which is this one. You have just to pick the perfect one for your chain. For example, if you want the free one for individuals starting out with basic scheduling, and we have the key features here, such as a limited one-on-one meeting, one event type, connect one of your calendars, integrate video conferencing, customize your booking page, send confirmation emails, embed scheduling on your site, mobile application and browser extension as well. Then we have the standard one for those with more sophisticated scheduling needs, and you have to pay $10 per month as you can see. Then we have the teams, or this name of the package. Here we have 4 teams who need advanced features such as reporting, meeting, distribution, and automations. So you have to pay $16 per month, right? And we have the last one, which is enterprise. About this one, you have to pay $15,000 per year. And here we have 4 teams who need more security, admin control, support, and enterprise grade procurement. All right. So let's just right now get started, and you have just to click over sign up free with email and you'll find this page. You have to enter your email and you click over sign up and you'll find other page, which is this one. In this page you have just to add your email address, you enter your full name, and then here we have choose a password at least 8 characters and you click over continue. Then you'll find this page as you can see, and you have just to confirm the link that we already received by Calendly. Here we have, before continuing, we need to verify your email address. Please check your inbox for a confirmation link. So after that, you will find the dashboard as you can see, which is this one. Here we have the dashboard. So in the right, we have here get how you can get started. You have just to get to know Calendly, then the perfect schedule and setup, then automate meeting preparation and follow up. Then here we have use Calendly with a team. Then in the right, we have here how you can get started. So after creating for your Calendly account, you have just to start by setting up your availability preferences, choosing the days and times you are free for meeting. Next, you have to create event types, specifying details like duration and location. You have just to share your unique Calendly link with others, allowing them to pick a time that works for both of you. Once a meeting is scheduled, Calendly automatically updates your calendar and sends confirmation emails, making scheduling a breezy. Alright, so here we have it. In the right, we have the other options, like the first one, which is how you can create. For example, we have how you can create event type and create a new template for your regularly scheduled events. Once you click over it, you will find other page, which is this one. You have just to select the one you want. If you want one-on-one on one host with one invite, here we have code for coffee chats, one interview, and etc. Then you select if one group, one host with group of invites, or collective, more than one host with one invite. Then we have round robin, one rotating host with one invite. For example, I will select the first one, then I will just select here the host, right? And then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find the other page, which is this one. So you have just to select here the event name, the duration, and the location if it's a Zoom phone call, person meeting, and we have other options. Then you click over continue, and you have just to share it with your friends. Then you have the option of group. When host with group of invite, you have just to do the same. Then here we have next, and you select the name, and also here we have the maximum invites per event, right? So this is for all this. And right now let's just come back, and for example I want one meeting, invite someone to pick a time to meet with you. I will just select it. Once you're done, you will find other page, which is this one. As you can see, we have here a schedule that explain or that calendar. Here for example is available. I will select here the time and the day, and then I will click over next, and I will send it to my friends, and I will get started, or co-workers or colleagues or my students, for example, or teachers. And here we have it, and it's the same with meeting pool. All right, then we have also here other options such as event type, meetings. We have upcoming, pending, past, date range. We have availability. As you can see, which time you are available, you can just select it for which time on the whole day. All right, then we have here contacts, and we have here workflows, integrations, applications. Then we have here routine. Then we have here analytics, admin center, help. If you want a new routine form, you click over here and you start from scratch here. Use the Calendly form builder to route your invites to the right event types. Then you click over create, and you select the name, for example. Then you click over create routine, and you'll find other page, which is this one. As you can see, and just add a question if you want. You have your form doesn't have any question yet, and you click over next, and here we have publish form. If you want, you can also create here if you want. How do you want to start your route? For example, use form answers, use Salesforce lookup and all, or you can use HubSpot lookup. Right, so this is how you can get started with routine, and we have other options here. You can just use it, and that could help you. So Calendly is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their scheduling process. By automating the booking of meetings, it saves you time and reduces the hassle of coordinating with others. Whether you are a busy professional or managing multiple appointments, Calendly enhances productivity and ensures you spend less time on logistics and more time on what truly matters. Give it a try and experience the ease of effortless scheduling. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. I'll see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. Also, if you want more information about this one, you have just to go to the home page and you read all this information. And you can also here scroll down and you'll find other information about this platform. So this is for this video. See you again in the next video.